Hey everyone, it's Margaret here, My Favorite Quilt Store, and I wanted to give you a quick overview of this cute table topper by Sandy Gervais in the Adel and Autumn collection from Riley Blake. I just love this little floral table runner of the little flowers in the little jars. It reminds me of what a fall picnic. So what a great table runner to have in your home for decor. So in this quilt kit comes the beautiful thatched or hashed cross weave looking linen look fabric as the background. Again, we have it in mint. That'll be nice for the water bottles on the water jars. Inside here we have the full color directions and easy to read directions on how to make the quilt and how to assemble it, which looks easy to do. And then we have all these great fabrics from the line that remind me just of fall and how much fun it is. So what a great quilt to have, or table runner to have in your house during the fall season. So I hope you enjoy this and happy quilting.